How to properly align screw conveyor troughs. Proper trough alignment is critical to long-term operation and must be verified during the installation process. Failure to properly align troughs will lead to premature failure of components. The string line method is the most common process for verifying proper screw conveyor trough alignment. Once all troughs, feet, and trough ends have been placed in the proper sequence, connect the components together with hand-tightened bolts. Clamp identical spacers to both trough ends to provide a consistent offset for the string line. Attach the string line to one trough end, pull tightly, and clamp the string line to the trough end on the opposite end of the screw conveyor. Using a measuring tape, walk along the full length of the trough and verify that the distance between the trough walls and the string line is consistent. Verify top flange alignment in both the horizontal and vertical directions using a level. All measurements must be within 1/8 inch before proceeding. After troughs are properly aligned, tighten all trough flange connections to the proper torque specification. Verify that troughs have maintained proper alignment after torquing bolts. Always read the complete KWS operation, installation, and maintenance manual before installing, operating, or maintaining a screw conveyor.